Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're running a business and need a secure, reliable, and easy way to handle transactions, PayPal is one of the best solutions. Today, we'll go over how to use PayPal for business transactions, from setting up an account to receiving payments and managing your funds. Let's get started. 1. Setting up a PayPal business account. Go to PayPal's website and select Sign Up. Choose Business Account and enter your business details, email, and payment preferences. Link your bank account or credit card for deposits and withdrawals. 2. Receiving payments. Accept payments via invoices, website checkout, or PayPal Me links. Integrate PayPal with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Set up recurring payments or subscriptions for customers. 3. Sending payments to vendors or suppliers. Use the Send Money feature to pay suppliers directly. Schedule automatic payments for regular expenses. Choose between instant transfer or standard transfer to control processing times. 4. Managing transactions and security. Access your transaction history and financial reports from the PayPal dashboard. Enable two-factor authentication and fraud protection tools to secure your account. Resolve disputes or refunds through PayPal's buyer and seller protection. 5. Withdrawing funds to your bank. Transfer money to your linked bank account. Takes 1 to 3 business days. Use PayPal's debit card for instant access to funds. Convert currency easily for international transactions. PayPal makes business transactions simple and secure, helping you receive, send, and manage payments effortlessly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business tips. See you in the next one.